Leaving behind bad money habits can transform your financial life. As 2024 approaches, it's the perfect opportunity to reevaluate your approach to money, let go of habits holding you back, and set yourself up for financial success. Let's dive into the money habits you need to leave behind to make 2024 the year you take control of your finances. First and foremost, stop living paycheck to paycheck. This is one of the most common and damaging financial habits. Many people think they're stuck in this cycle because they don't earn enough, but often it's not about income, it's about spending habits. If every dollar you make is already accounted for before it even hits your bank account, it's time to reassess. Create a budget that prioritizes savings and pays you first, even if it's just a small percentage of your income. Break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck mindset by planning your finances ahead of time. Another habit to ditch is impulse spending. This includes those late-night online shopping binges, buying things just because they're on sale, or indulging in luxuries you don't truly need. These seemingly small expenses add up over time and eat away at your ability to save or invest. To break this habit, introduce a cooling-off period before making any non-essential purchase. Wait 24 to 48 hours before buying something to determine if it's a want or a need. This simple step can save you hundreds, if not thousands, over the course of the year. Next, stop relying on debt to fund your lifestyle. Credit cards, payday loans, and buy now, pay later schemes may seem convenient, but they often lead to high interest payments and financial stress. It's time to prioritize paying off your existing debt and commit to living within your means. Build an emergency fund so you're not relying on credit for unexpected expenses. Start small, save $1,000 as your first goal, and grow it over time. By doing this, you'll protect yourself from falling into the debt trap. Another habit to leave behind is excessive subscription spending. Streaming services, gym memberships you don't use, meal kits, apps, you name it. Many of us sign up for subscriptions and forget about them, even when we're not using them. Go through your subscriptions and cancel anything that's not adding real value to your life. Consider adopting a one-in, one-out policy for subscriptions. If you want to add a new one, cancel an old one to keep your costs in check. Stop neglecting your financial education. Many people think managing money is complicated, so they avoid learning about it altogether. But the truth is, knowledge is power when it comes to finances. Commit to improving your financial literacy in 2024. Read a book about investing, follow financial experts online, or take a free online course on budgeting or saving. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smarter decisions. It's also time to let go of keeping up with appearances. The habit of spending money to impress others, whether it's on designer clothes, flashy cars, or expensive nights out, will only leave you broke and unfulfilled. True financial success isn't about looking rich, it's about being rich. Focus on building wealth quietly and avoid spending money to fit in or gain approval. The people who truly matter don't care about the price tags on your possessions. Procrastination is another money habit you need to leave behind. Whether it's delaying saving for retirement, putting off creating a budget, or avoiding starting an investment account, the longer you wait, the harder it gets. Time is one of the most powerful tools in building wealth, so don't waste it. Start now, even if it feels like a small step. Open that savings account, contribute to your 401k, or research low-cost index funds. Small actions today lead to big results tomorrow. Stop undervaluing your earning potential. Many people stick with jobs that underpay them or fail to explore additional income opportunities because they don't believe they can earn more. In 2024, challenge this mindset. Invest in yourself, take a course, learn a high-income skill, or negotiate a raise. Consider starting a side hustle or exploring passive income streams. The more you grow your earning potential, the more options you'll have to achieve financial freedom. Stop ignoring inflation. Many people fail to adjust their financial plans to account for rising costs of living. If you're saving money under your mattress or in a low-interest savings account, inflation is eroding its value. Instead, educate yourself on investment opportunities that outpace inflation, like index funds, stocks, or real estate. By putting your money to work, you're ensuring it grows rather than loses value over time. Avoid the trap of buying things on autopilot. Ever grabbed coffee every morning because it's part of your routine, or hit add to cart without a second thought? Small, habitual purchases can add up to significant money drains. Take time to assess these automatic expenses. Is there a cheaper or more efficient alternative? Brew coffee at home, pack lunch, or do a monthly review of unnecessary purchases. By being intentional, you'll save more than you realize. Stop borrowing from your future self. Many people think, "I'll handle this later," when taking on debt or overspending. But your future self will pay the price, often with interest. Instead, live by a simple rule. If you can't pay for it outright, you can't afford it. Shift your mindset to think about how today's financial decisions impact your life tomorrow. This change will help you prioritize delayed gratification and long-term goals over fleeting pleasures. Quit overestimating windfalls. When people receive unexpected money, whether from bonuses, tax refunds, or gifts, they often spend it impulsively, believing it's free money. This habit stifles progress toward financial goals. Instead, commit to a plan for windfalls. Allocate a percentage to savings, investments, or paying off debt before using a portion for fun. This ensures you're making the most of unexpected income. Stop undervaluing the power of small wins. Many people think building wealth requires huge moves, like earning a six-figure salary or hitting the jackpot. But wealth is often built incrementally with consistent effort. For example, saving $5 a day might seem insignificant, but over a year, that's over $1,800. Compound that with investments, and the results grow exponentially. Don't dismiss the small actions, they're the building blocks of financial freedom. Don't neglect to set financial boundaries. Many people struggle with saying no. Whether it's two friends who suggest expensive outings or family members asking for financial support. In 2024, commit to prioritizing your financial health. Politely decline situations that don't align with your goals and learn to set clear boundaries. You can still be generous, but it should be on your terms, not at the expense of your stability. Stop relying solely on luck. Many people buy lottery tickets or gamble, hoping for a financial miracle. The odds are rarely in your favor, and this approach can drain your finances instead of growing them. Instead of relying on chance, invest in yourself. Learn a new skill, start a side hustle, or network within your industry. Wealth creation is about deliberate action, not wishful thinking. Avoid underestimating the importance of a financial plan. Winging it with your money is one of the quickest paths to financial stress. Without a clear plan, you're likely to spend aimlessly, save sporadically, and invest haphazardly. Create a roadmap for your finances. Set specific goals like saving for retirement, buying a home, or building an emergency fund. Break these goals into actionable steps and track your progress regularly. Don't let lifestyle creep derail your goals. As your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle, buy a nicer car, move to a bigger apartment, or splurge on luxury items. This phenomenon, known as lifestyle inflation, can keep you stuck in the same financial position, regardless of how much you earn. Commit to maintaining your current lifestyle as your income grows and channel the extra money into savings, investments, or debt repayment. Stop neglecting passive income opportunities. Many people focus solely on active income, like their 9-to-5 job, while overlooking ways to earn money passively. In 2024, explore options like dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. Passive income isn't instant, but it's a powerful tool for building wealth over time. Finally, stop avoiding accountability. It's easy to blame external factors, your employer, the economy, or your upbringing, for financial struggles. While circumstances do play a role, taking accountability for your actions is essential. In 2024, commit to owning your financial decisions. Review your spending habits, acknowledge mistakes, and take steps to fix them. Hire a financial coach or buddy up with someone who can hold you accountable to your goals. The truth is, your financial success is within your control. By leaving behind these habits in 2024, you can pave the way for a brighter, more secure financial future. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Small, consistent changes lead to extraordinary results over time. Take charge and make 2020 for the year you build financial freedom and independence.